for sale is a rare and visually striking Helvetia Masonic pocket watch dating to the 1930s, housed in a large 48.9mm case. This piece combines symbolic Masonic iconography, Swiss precision, and a beautiful gold-plated silver case with black enamel detailing. Features: brand Helvetia, Swiss-made. Era: circa 1930s. Dial: original gold-tone dial with Arabic numerals and 24-hour inner track, subsidiary seconds at 6 o'clock. Movement: manual wind, Swiss lever escapement, fully functional and keeping excellent time. Case: material 18-karat gold-plated over 0.800 fine silver. Back: stunning Masonic-themed black enamel decoration with intricate engraved symbolism. Engraving: it's PM, LN 38 1802, referring to a past master and lodge number. 38, dated 1802 in Roman numerals, likely commemorative or honorary. Inside marks: stamped 0.800 silver, serial number, Swiss hallmarks. Crystal: original with light signs of age. Diameter: 48.93 millimeters excluding crown.